February 16th of 2020, one of these demolitions didn't go quite as planned. It's safe to say that didn't quite go according to plan. As you can see, a major part of the building is left standing, leaving crews scratching their heads at what to do now. Locals quickly adopted the term Leaning Tower of Dallas for obvious reasons. Only a few weeks later, however, the demolition company came back with massive cranes and finally took down the remainder of the building. It may have been short-lived, but the Leaning Tower of Dallas was a landmark many locals won't soon forget. Zhengzhou is a prefecture-level city in Fujian Province, China.